In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Analysis tab on Tastytrade. Firstly, head over to tastytrade.com and log in. Click on the Trade tab at the top. Either queue up a new trade or click on an existing working order to bring up the order ticket. On the order ticket screen, look at the top left corner. Click the Quick Analysis button. In the center of the Quick Analysis tab, you'll find Max Profit, Max Loss, Break-Even Point. This tool is perfect for quick risk-reward checks and adjusting your strategy on the fly. Let me know if you'd like more help interpreting a specific trade setup using Quick Analysis. In this video, we're gonna see how to use curve mode in Tastytrade. Firstly, open the Tastytrade platform, head to the Trade tab and build a trade. At the top of the order screen, switch to curve mode. Curve mode displays several color regions to show potential outcomes of your trade. Green zone, profit area; red zone, loss area; gray line or zone, break-even point; and orange zone, expected move. Let's say you line up this trade. Expiry September 15, 2017. Strike 244. Credit $2.08. Your max profit is $2.08 credit you received. Your break-even is calculated as strike credit, which is $244. The visual curve will update to show your profit zone, loss zone, and the expected move range.